So here's how to import products from other stores on Wix. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Wix account. Once you are logged into your Wix account, now here you have to simply go to the apps section. Then here in the search bar you have to type in Wix stores and then hit on the enter to search for it. After that, here you have to click on this store to open it. Now click on the add to site option and this pop-up window will appear. Moving to the next step is you have to wait for the process until it's being installed to your Wix store. After successful installation of this app, as you can see, it gives me the option to add a product. I am gonna simply click on it. Now as you can see in this templates, there are already products available. You have to simply select all these products and then you have to delete them. Now to add your own products, you have to click on the new product option at the top. After that, import all of your product details onto your store. By this way, you can simply add products from any store. So that's how to add products on Wix from other stores.